A day at the world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity journey. This film is created by the Patel 6AAS from GIS. The Statue of Unity is located in the Kevadia, now known as the Ekta Nagar, a small town in Gujarat near the Sardar Sarovar Dam in the Narmada River. Statue of Unity was inaugurated on 31st October 2018 by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the former Deputy Prime Minister L.K. Advani. Welcome to Kevadia, Gujarat, home to the Statue of Unity, the tallest statue in the world, standing 182-meter high, a proud tribute to the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. Museum inside tells the Sardar Patel story, how he united India after independence, from the viewing gallery and the view of the Narmada River and the Sardar Sarovar Dam in the truly spectacular. After exploring the statue complex, I visited the Jungle Safari Park. It spread over the huge area with the animals from across the world: lions, tigers, giraffes, zebras and many more. The surroundings are beautifully maintained and perfect for family. The Jungle Safari has seen the different types of birds, and then I had seen the Ekta Parva festival where the Narendra Modi will come on 31st October. As the day ended, watching the Statue of Unity glow in the evening light was magical. This trip was more than sightseeing. It was a journey through India's unity, pride and the nature beauty. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.